In today's tutorial, I will be applying a super easy face frame highlighting technique. We zone our first section with a diagonal back sectioning from the recession down towards the ear, mixing powder lightener with 20 volume peroxide. Taking a diagonal back section on top of the hairline, using firm tension, we weave our first section. Using our middle finger, index finger and thumb to secure the foil in place before applying our powder lightener. We now apply powder lightener 1 centimeter away from the root area. Using our opposite hand as a board to help emulsify and paint the product thoroughly through the weaved section, ensuring full saturation. We complete our foil with applying product to the root area, firmly but gently closing the foil into a tight, clean package. We continue to take diagonal back sections, less than half a centimeter in width, leaving a small amount of hair out in between each foil. This will create a soft, diffused result. If you would like your face frame to look stronger or bolder, I'd slice these sections, leaving no hair out in between. You could also continue your sections deeper into the side zones. If your client didn't want highlights on their root area, you could Teasy-light these sections or apply a shadow root with your toner application. This foil will complete our face framing zones before moving on to the money piece section. We zone this section from the top of the curvature of the skull or head shape, like a heavy fringe sectioning. We zone from this point to the recession on both sides. I'm continuing to take fine, clean, weaved sections with a half centimeter width in between each foil, leaving a small amount of hair out in between, creating a diffused, blended result. For a stronger contrast, slice your first 3 sections back to back with no hair left in between each foil. Top tip, use the corner of your brush to apply color to your root area. This is a great technique to get super close and have maximum control over your application. It's important to maintain consistent, balanced weaves and sections, ensuring full color saturation for the best color results. You can incorporate this face framing money piece technique with any other highlighting application. If you haven't seen my previous half head foil application tutorial, I'll link it at the end of this video. We have reached over the curvature of the head shape. I'm changing my application to a back combing, balayage or Teasy-light technique. This will start blending the darker color more rapidly into the face frame money piece. If you chose the stronger option, slicing the previous sections, now is where you would change your application and start weaving the same way I have in the previous section. We paint our product over the back combing. The back combing will create an amazing diffused blended effect. We weave these sections the same as the previous zone, elevating the weave 90 degrees straight up, using our tail comb to back comb. With every new section, I slightly increase the back combing, increasing the diffused blending effect as we continue up the head shape. If you had chosen the stronger, bolder option, this last section is where you would complete your money piece with a Teasy-light. I'm completing the money piece with increased back combing, creating even more of a diffused blend into the face frame money piece. We now process the colour for 30 to 45 minutes, checking the colour before rinsing. Here you can see how well the money piece is diffused into the natural colour. I'm toning with equal parts 8 natural ash and 9 pearl, aiming for a cooler caramel tone on a dark blonde level, as the pre-lightened colour is yellow and sits on a level between 8 and a 9. Be sure to saturate and emulsify the toner into the money piece before allowing the colour to process. I left this colour on for 10 minutes before rinsing. This is my previous half head highlight tutorial blending into this subtle diffused face frame. Thank you so much for watching. If you value my work, subscribe and hit the like icon. I do appreciate your feedback in the comments below. Stay tuned, as this dolly will be cut into a beautiful layered bob. You're not going to want to miss this. Until then, watch my half head foil application here.